JDCap26 here, just do the tips and repairs. And we got done with the King Kong's Thronster, which is going to be added to the collection. And here we go. He's all done. And we followed the box art as much as we could. And we used some acrylics and we used some enamels. Okay, we sprayed it. Also, we have to seal this. We're going to seal it afterwards. And here's a close-up of his face. So I hope you're enjoying my videos and you get something out of it. This is a fun kit to make on a skill level. 1 being very hard, 10 being very easy. I would give this about a 6 in skill level. Meaning, you need to work at it and follow the instructions. So, thanks for watching. Please rate and subscribe. Give me the thumbs up if you can. Have a great day, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.